Single layer images include the following: JPEGs, TIFFs, and GIFs, or GIFs, whatever you want to call it. JPEGs can hold millions of colors, but when saved will result in a single layered image. You can see with our computer desk image that on the layers panel there's just one single layer. What does that mean? Well, you'd really have to be skilled in Photoshop to edit. There's a small plus sign at the bottom right of the layers palette. Clicking on that will add layers, and then you can add elements like text and shapes. Maybe even enhance the image a bit. JPEGs are a very versatile image format that is primarily used for web, print, and video. TIFFs are another single layered image format. Now, back about 20 years ago, TIFFs were a preferred format by many print shops to produce print materials like posters and t-shirts. I don't see this image format being used much anymore. And if we were to compare TIFFs and JPEGs, you will see that even though both are from the same image, the TIFF is a much larger image size than the JPEG. The drawback with TIFFs is that they are limited to pretty much graphics and not necessarily used for video, and you can't use them on websites. And then there was a GIF. I noticed that while we pronounce it GIF as in gift or GIF like giraffe, regardless, a GIF holds very little color information, about 255 colors, and are mostly popular with the animation we've seen on websites and social media. But people still use them. Now let's go to the next video where we talk about multi-layer image formats. Please click on the next video.